to show you the 2018 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.